Good morning, guys. So today we are switching from our current Airbnb that you would okay, well, so we have a new apartment that we're going to be staying at for the next month, and we wanted to give you guys a tour. So first off, we're just going to bring you along with us for the trip over there, and then we'll get into the tour.
1, 2, 3, funk it. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So this is what we're freaking working with.
Somehow it seems like it's grown a massive amount since we first got here, but we're gonna figure out a way. Bye. Thanks for the great month.
Jesus.
Okay. Poor guy, man. That poor guy. God bless him. Alright, welcome to our crib, folks.
Wow. This is a bit of a fucking upgrade. This is a bit of a freaking upgrade.
Yeah. Notice how we didn't give you an apartment tour of the last one? That's because it would have been a very, very short It would have been like a 2-second video.
This one is
Worth touring.
freaking insane. I feel like a bougie B-word.
So we got the smart TV.
Wow.
You can get our Netflix on, our Hulu, our HBO. Out this door is the gym, 24/7.
Oh, we're gonna have a good time here.
You can hear Ryan in the background. Our back patio. We'll go look at that in a bit.
Oh, this is too good.
She's already got her shoes off.
This is too good. This is all in the bed. It's so comfy.
This is the bedroom.
We're freaking kidding.
It's so
This is a joke.
nice.
So,
And
we just have a tiny closet here, you know?
yeah, well. Oh my god, compared to the last closet we had, we were working miracles with that little space.
This is a freaking upgrade. I thought we were gonna downgrade. I don't know how we could have. But
Bathroom. So nice. Hold on. Is this gonna lighten up? There we go. Shower.
and cool stuff. It's just so aesthetically pleasing, and we're filming so many videos here.
Oh yeah, we're gonna film all the rest of the videos here.
Oh, we're doing smoothies now?
As if you're gonna make a smoothie.
I will. You know what? I will.
Got a bigger
We got a
fridge.
coffee maker.
Look at the fridge.
Oh, why didn't we stay here the whole time? Wow, we might extend this stay
I know.
for even longer, but no, we can't.
We could,
I wish.
technically.
Look at the gym, it's literally right there. All we have to do is...
I know.
What?
I love the painting.
This is so nice here.
It's because of, it's in the design district, so there's all this graffiti all over. It's so nice.
We have to make sure to always lock it up.
Yeah. Wow. Miami looks great on you, it says. So let's see, how do I get in here? No, it's definitely open. There you go.
No
Oh
one's here.
my god. Wow.
God.
Wow.
And I'm sure there's a pool on the roof.
There is on the 6th floor. We need the key for everything in here. I can't believe we have this for a month. You know, all I can say is we're blessed.
Alrighty, so that is the end of our apartment tour, Airbnb tour. But yeah, we're really excited for what's to come in the next month. We're gonna film a bunch of new videos for you guys.
Yeah, we've kind of shied away from the whole couples routine because we didn't have a private gym to do it in, but we're definitely gonna bring that to you like the next video after this one. And you know, a night routine, a morning routine, so stick around for those. You want to see our skincare tips, things like that. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of that. Every comment and like and subscription means the world to us. We appreciate you guys.
We love you guys.
Yes.
And that's the end of this video, so we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.